In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to invite someone on Akiflow as a collaborator. If you're looking to enhance your team dynamics by sharing schedules and ensuring everyone's on the same page, inviting a teammate to your Akiflow team is an excellent way to start. This not only allows for shared billing, but also offers a cohesive calendar view among your team members. Let's dive right into the process, making collaboration seamless through effective team management in Akiflow. First, you need to access the settings. Begin by opening up the Akiflow application and locating your avatar or profile picture. Once you click on it, you'll see the option to head to Settings. This section is your go-to for making any necessary adjustments that will foster a collaborative environment. Next, you'll want to navigate to the section that's labeled either Team, My Account, or something closely related, such as Team Billing. This is where the actual team management begins. If you haven't already created an Akiflow team, you'll need to do so at this step. It's a straightforward process that sets the foundation for adding members who can see each other's schedules and share availability seamlessly. With the team framework in place, it's time to invite your colleagues. Within the team settings, look for an option that allows you to invite members or invite colleagues. This feature is designed to simplify how you bring your teammates on board. Once you find that inviting option, you'll need to enter the email address of the person you wish to include. Make sure it's the email they use for work-related communication to avoid any mix-ups or miscommunication. After entering their email, go ahead and send the invitation. It's as easy as clicking a button, but this simple step opens up a world of shared scheduling and teamwork benefits. Remember that if the person you're inviting is already an Akiflow user, their individual subscription will be paused while they're part of your team. This automatically shifts their existing plan to the team billing setup, ensuring you manage all subscriptions in one consolidated place. On the other hand, if your invitee is new to Akiflow, no worries. They'll be guided through the process of creating an account and joining your team. Akiflow makes onboarding new users a breeze, ensuring they can start collaborating with the rest of the team without any hitches. And that's it. By following these steps, you'll efficiently invite a teammate to your Akiflow team, making it easier to share calendars and schedules, all while managing billing under one umbrella. Thanks for watching, and happy collaborating.